the kitchen with us here at Galavante, and we're at the Mandarin Oriental in Prague, and we are here with Chef Steve, who is the sous chef of Spices, one of the hottest restaurants right now in Prague. Chef Steve, thank you so much for having us here. We're really excited to be here, and we hear that you have some of the very best Asian food here in Prague.
Yes, we do, and we have actually the menu's been divided into 3 sections. We have Southeast, East, West, and some Northeast Asia.
So, where are you from?
I'm actually from Sri Lanka, but living here in Prague for the past 10 years so far.
Wonderful. Well, I hear that Prague has one of the largest Asian populations of Vietnamese in Europe.
Yes, it is. But of course, it's a long time history which I cannot explain. I think you got to ask somebody who is really the scenario behind it.
Well, we won't put you on the hook for a history of the Czech Republic, but we will ask you. We have 3 questions, so we always ask these amazing chefs that we work with around the world. And the first is, what are the main ingredients of Czech cooking that you think are really important and unique to Czech food?
I think very important is onion, garlic, and good pork.
And what was the last thing? Pork, okay. Yeah, because you're very famous for the ham.
For the ham and all pork product for the sausages and all the produce of the lard that is smoked and the pork belly smoked.
Wow.
And the pork meat that has been roasted for a long time.
Well, that sounds amazing. Amazing. So, here at the restaurant, what is the favorite dish or the signature dish that you have here?
Actually, we have one signature dish from our executive chef, which is the foie gras spring rolls.
Foie gras spring rolls. Now that sounds decadent.
Actually, it's a combination of kind of a fusion combination of foie gras and Peking duck. So you have a traditional Peking duck with a combination of foie gras and celery with a mango salad to do it.
I love that because it seems that foie gras is a really signature ingredient of the region, and then of course because it's an Asian restaurant, you have the Peking duck.
Yes, so both of them are combined, so again, it's the Euro-Asian.
Okay, well we're definitely ordering that tonight. It sounds amazing.
And then we should try the king crab cakes as well.
The king crab cakes, okay. Well, that was actually, you must have read our minds because that is on our list of things to order.
Good one.
Yes. So I have one more question for you.
Okay.
You must get a lot of inspiration from dishes around the world for your own cooking. What was the last best dish that someone made for you and where was it?
Wow, that's a hard question. It's going to be a long pause now.
That's okay, we have a lot of time.
Let me see. I think a couple of months ago here was a chef from Singapore, kind of award-winning chef as well. His name was Justin Fleck.
Okay.
So he had a special promotion going on here, not specially done by Mandarin Oriental, but hosted at Mandarin Oriental, and he had a beef short rib.
Ooh, beef shortbread.
Beef short rib done with his special homemade soya sauce. I think that was really stunning. And he's a chef who does traditional Asian food, Singaporean cuisine, and kind of mixing it with the French. So I think he had both parts of the world very nicely balanced there. It was kind of stunning combination.
Well, that sounds delicious and that sounds inspiring. So thank you so much, Chef Steve, for being with us here at Galavante, and we are in the kitchen here at Spices. Thank you.